Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to pair earphone to our Vivo phone guys. You want to pair this earphone to your phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair it in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video guys. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting. Guys, on your Bluetooth. And guys, on your earphone guys, this button guys, second option guys, or second one guys, this volume buttons guys, both are guys volume button. Guys, you can on and off this from this button. And guys, click on Bluetooth. Guys, click on pair new device. So you want to pair this earphone, so guys click on your earphone name, and guys you can see it's pairing. So it will pair in your Vivo phone. And guys, you can check earphone battery also from here. Guys, you can check it, how much battery you have, your earphone battery. So I hope friends you have understood. So guys, now that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.